guys, it's Shakira, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new HUAWEI Y7 Prime phone. Okay, time to open. Oh god, you can see the price. Let's see. Oh, this one, I think I know what it is, but I'm not quite sure. I don't take it out. How you do this? Oh, it's so shiny. Oh, it's so shiny. Look at this, so shiny. Don't care about that. Okay, now we're over here. These are instructions, I think so. Yeah. Here is the black. Oh, so nice. This one I know how it works. This one, see, you pull this back because it looks so soft. See, make it more this one, and the plug is right here. Oh god, why is it so crooked? Oh my god! Sorry about that. There was just someone, which is my brother. Here is the cable. To plug this in. This one. Yeah. So brand new. Put it right here. And next we have this. Ooh, earpiece for the phone. Black. That's nice. Loser. Sorry about that. Oh god, I spoiled the packaging.
Hey,
What's this?
hold that me.
Look, it's a clear casing. Sorry about that.
Hey,
It's so clear. Okay, let's put it on. I will put it on. Let's see.
you open up.
Sorry about that. Okay. I got stop. Oh my god, this one not just put it on. I think this is the button. Let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, then why is that opening? Let me put this here.
In that bag.
Oh my god. Guys, as you can see, it's 11:24. That's the right side. It looks so nice. Oh, it needs to charge later. Oh my god. There is YouTube. Guys, look. There's YouTube. Let's see whether it can work.